Ekenekwa gị Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị, biko na o nwere ozi ọma dị mkpa m ji wee bịa n'ụbọchị nke taata. Unu na-afụ ihe anụnwa dị n'akụkụ ebe onye Jizọs post. Yes, onye Jizọs post that him. Also called na Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a man from God. Not ordinary man of God though, a man sent from God. Just like the days of old, when John the Baptist, Mr. Jesus baptized, and a dove from heaven said, "This is my beloved son, in whom I am well pleased." This is the same thing now. Jesus actually confirm on the over. Jesus worldwide. I'm not denying the fact that Jesus na search. And he be malum very well, man. Only Jesus of my man. It's not easy entertain Nigerians from 2020 till now. Can you move him? They entertain now. You know, will be laughing. Or the reason only Jesus no do major. I am about the impact hanging in this our society until they will begin far gone. Whether I like it or not, on when the only Jesus melo galanya today. On when or do major melo galanya, you cannot change that fact. If the followers of Reverend King can go pages in the newspaper to wish him happy birthday, despite the fact no in prison, don't worry. Owa can well naga. So now again can we head him no be no we have okunji. I'm not in for this thing and scream. They are now wonders him because now Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a prophet of the whole world, no longer an Igbo land alone. He's a man of God of the whole world. A man that can walk into Aso Rock, walk into White House, Obodo Igbo. And let me address you people. Let me tell you one of the biggest mistakes you people will make, especially with the youth. You can go school, you can bend again at cholo, mania away camera na insult to people who know in higher power, in higher authority. Let me tell you what will happen to you, Maro. Bible I make I that Nicodemus came to Jesus by night. Yes. When Nicodemus came to Jesus by night, we didn't hear any much thing about him again. But let me tell you something in the Motanowa is that now. Imaro now. Let me give you a short story. Then when Ben serve on a church, that is when I realized that now that big man Emma in your community on the internet, in our phone and internet, now pass with 100 convoys during the day. That at night he can single-handedly drive himself Namutia with 1 or 2 personal assistants here to that pastor, to that young pastor. In a criticize online. Somebody like Evangelist Ebuka Obi now. The reason why he doesn't sleep, because Nicodemus always come to him by night. Nicodemus always come to him by night. What am I saying by Nicodemus? Those your big men in your society, those people that you take accolades from, those people that you give accolades to, those people that you celebrate also goes to him by night. The biggest mistake that will happen to you now as a young man is that now if you apply somebody like Evangelist Ebuka Obi now, a more on only Negi submit CV na Akia na office na Golo is somebody loyal to Evangelist Ebuka Obi in secret. Can we get the truth? You will not get that job. Because if you insulted an authority figure in his life, if you insulted somebody that gave him a prophecy 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. now this position will be given to you many years ago. So by prophecy, he became what he is today, through the grace on the life of the man of God. And if you camera that insult on the loyalty, you will not get that job. The person will not tell you because Evangelist Ebuka Obi, that is why he did not give you the job. He gave you that job in order not to call it free from the calamity now be before again. Because now calamity before because the authority figure in his life is that now we be the good teacher show everything around him, make sure now before you realize what is happening to you, it's already too late. So because the by me and moon no Evangelist Ebuka Obi ogafege egwu kacham, especially all this our youth. Ndi Igbo were one of the highest now. You hardly see only Yoruba na be criticizing Ndi Igbo. agwa unu travel and see unu adịghị eme travel na ada associated people ihe ọbụla ịma mmadụ na-agba kirikiri n'ofu room na-efilu n'ọma ihe. Go outside, mingle with people, no other languages. Malum mgbe ndị ọzọ gbawa their own saga. Ndị Hausa na-agba saga, ndị Yoruba na-agba saga, mana onwero generation na-akpali their own people karịa ndị Igbo anyị. Ndị Igbo anyị na-akpali mmadụ. O sị na ihe mere nji wee dụọ nwanne anyị nwoke ọdụbụ anyị don si na wepụ ọnụ na ha ntị na has to do with religion. No matter na ọnwụ ka ma ọdịnala na ihe a, because o nwere one video anyị don si men o kwuru okwu si na o nwere ebe ha na-eje mgbe ha na-eji eti egwu na all these churches organization na nke ihe esi mara chọọchị bụ fake bụ you have to mingle with their musician. No mgbe ahụ bụ ha pụta ha gụchie egwu bịa n'ala ego ha chọghị n'ala ego ha, that is when ndị bịa perform or fake miracle and fake RNG na bịakwa bịa n'ala ego ha. That he doesn't onwe ihe gbasara ya no those things. Can't he point out those people ka ndị mmadụ dị safe from them? Ịgbakwa nkịtị at the end of the day si na nwere na spoil business ya mana imepere ọnụ na-ekwu ya echiso nji wee sị wepụ ọnụ n'ihe gbasara tradition, ihe gbasara ụka, ihe ọbụla ịchọ eme mee ya n'udo na ọṅụ gị baa bekee. Biko na ndị Igbo anyị, I keep saying it, I will keep saying it because na I am mma the damages I na-cause onwe until 5 years later, 10 years later. What will you say? Ihe nunu na-ada nwanne anyị nwoke ka unu dotu ya ka onye ọbụla na-adụ ya gidigidi ka dotu ya idotuwe ya na what will be your game? Idotuwe ya ofu ihe ahụ Igbo ji eme ebube. Unu adọgidego Maazị Nnamdi Kanu donye ya n'ime prison. Dogide donye ya n'ime prison. Ọ chọrọ ịbịa court case. People are also benefiting from his own court case. Onwe court case, there are people na benefit from that. So no may appear na court, people are benefiting from it. Those people bụkwa gịnị ndị Igbo aya ndị akpọrọ nwa ha ndị Igbo. Why is it that anybody that have lifted up his head in this country from Igbo Land, Ndi Igbo ihe Obi Kubana na ndị otu ya ka ji wee nọrọ today unetebeghị ule n'ihu is that they keep their religion ihe ebe ha belong secret. Mana let me shock you because now Isiagu in churches in a powerful ministry like Dunamis, like Zion, like a synagogue. That is when you will realize that now people in a respect so much in society comes to those men of God at night, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. I drive or now their own blessing now. Book appointment, the man of God, belly, say God will see you through in what you are doing. Bless their business. You think they are ordinary? No. Omenala. When the Nigeria you biggest dibia here in a sen when the Nigeria n'ime aban ha go to mopo esuwe ya esucha ha during the day he bulu na aban hitina boot moto ha bulu na aban onye na mara ọkalịlị. Because we make a mistake just because of social media views and data. You will lose your destiny helper just because Bible saying a fool when he's silent is also regarded wise. Ndị Bible malụ n'ihe ka ọ dị n'mgbe ọzọ.